guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this magical potion, and it's really cool because it has like this little thing to make it look really realistic, so that's cool. There we go. Open the potion and what's inside? It's a slime making kit and it's under the sea themed and unicorn themed. There's some glue, some activator, magic dust, I don't know what that is. These are like containers to put the slime in when it's done. I've never used this before, so I'm kind of scared. There's two different slimes you can make. There's magical steps to brew a sea treasure tonic. Did I say that right? And there's magical steps to brew a wild dreams potion, which is the unicorn one. I kind of want to make the wild dreams potion. Oh, you can use this as a mixing bowl. Look. How much is 60 milliliters? Okay guys, so I got a glass and I'm really scared because this might not work. Okay, I'm kind of scared. So it says pour in 60 milliliters of clear water. Let's pour in. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but that's how much water I put in. I love the packaging of this, but now it's time for the magical dust. I don't even know how I'm gonna open this. Never mind, I opened it. Oh no, don't explode all over the place. The magical dust is pink. Okay, I'm gonna pour it in now. Whoa, it went on me. The dust is going on me. Whoa, it's so magical. I think I put too much water in. Okay, I think that's all. It smells like shampoo or something. This is what it looks like. It looks like pink porridge. Okay, I'm gonna mix it, but I'm kind of scared. This feels way too watery, guys. Nah, this is not gonna work. Is there any more magic dust? Okay, so it says wait 3 to 5 minutes for the mix to adjust. It feels like a cake batter. Guys, look at the table. This all happened when I was trying to open it. Let me go get a tissue. Okay, I'm back and I'm just gonna tidy this up so I have a clear space. I have like a tissue under here and I'm like scraping it into there. Okay, I'm gonna carry on mixing. Wait a second. Wait guys, it's actually forming. No way, this is actually working. No, guys, look. Wait, I need to show you this up close. It's kind of hard to hold this at the same time because I'm like doing this one-handed. Wait, how am I supposed to do this? But guys, look, it's actually like clumping together. Like I thought it would just turn out as a blob of like something. Wait, it's kind of sticky. It leaves like a weird feeling on your hand. Oh, you can add these toppings to it now, so open it up. Let's see what's inside. I'm gonna pour them in. Woo! Oh, I dropped the whole bag in. I can actually poke it now. Let's see what it is first. Little like blue, they fell on the table. Okay guys, okay, I'm gonna show you this up close. Okay, you can see those little foam beads in it. The slime looks so glossy and oh, look at that. It's like Elsa beads. I don't know. Whoa, that's a lot. This is going to be amazing. I love the packaging. That's really cool. They look yummy too. Whoa, that's so cool. This is like my wildest dreams. And that's a good thing, by the way. It's just like mostly the blue beads that are falling out. Oh, look at this. Look at all those. Whoa. I remember I figured out yesterday that you're supposed to open it from the bottom here. Whoa. Guys, this is amazing. Whoa, look at that, guys. It's kind of stuck to the top, but like, oh well. I hope you enjoyed this video because I really did and it was really fun to do. And oh, look at that, it's so cute. Hope you had a good Christmas, by the way. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye!